In this video, we will going to discuss the BTC and we will try to predict the next possible BTC move from here. But before going to discuss the next possible BTC move, first I will compare the recent BTC price action with the past price action of BTC and we will try to correlate them. So this is the daily chart of the BTC, and as you can see here that the BTC was trading in the range. This box is showing the range. The upper bar of the box is the range high and the lower bar of the box is the range low. Spot ETF was announced here, and before ETF announcement BTC took the range high. So these are the range highs, and before spot ETF was announced BTC pumped and took the range high. After taking the range high, BTC dropped toward the range low and broke the range low, but reclaimed it immediately. So we will consider this as a kind of deviation. And after deviation, BTC give a big pump of 90% almost. Now let correlate the past BTC price action with the recent price action of the BTC, and like we saw in the past BTC, again BTC is trading in this range with the upper bar of the box is acting as a range high and the lower bar of the box is acting as a range low. Halving of BTC occur here, but before halving BTC did not take the recent high like we saw in the past BTC price section. So this is a kind of difference between the recent and the past BTC. And after the halving, BTC dropped toward the range low and broke the range low, but reclaimed it back immediately. So we will consider this also as a kind of deviation. So after the reclamation of the range low, will BTC will repeat the same historical move like we saw in the past? So this is the question, and we will try to predict or identify this question answer, okay, in this video. So between the recent and the past BTC price section, the similarity was in both cases we saw the deviation. In both cases BTC was trading in the range. In the past, the catalyst for the dump of BTC was ETF announcement, and in the current BTC price action, the catalyst for dump of BTC is halving. But the only difference is before announcement of the ETF, BTC took the range high in the past price action, but in the recent price action, after the announcement or after the date of BTC halving, BTC did not take the range high and dump immediately toward the range low. So this is a kind of difference. So now let's discuss the next possible BTC move. So as you can see that I have opened the 4-hour chart of the BTC, and this is the support. BTC broke the support and then reclaim it back. So this is a kind of deviation. After reclamation of the support, BTC give a giant green candle leaving an FVG, fair value gap behind, and after that now BTC is trading in the mid range between the upper and the lower range. If you clearly look at the 4-hour chart of the BTC, then you will find out that it is forming a inverse head and shoulder pattern. This is the left shoulder, this is the right shoulder, and this is the head. Inverse head and shoulder is actually a bullish pattern or actually a reversal pattern. So as it is formed at the bottom of the range, so this is actually a reversal pattern or bullish pattern, and a classical head and shoulder pattern is actually formed at the top, and that is actually a bearish pattern. So when a head and shoulder pattern form at the bottom, it is a bullish pattern. When head and shoulder pattern form at the top, it is a bearish pattern, and the head and shoulder that is formed at the bottom is called inverse head and shoulder pattern. So overall I am expecting 73 to 74k target from here, and now there are two possibility by which we can go toward that target. First is, if this inverse head and shoulder pattern is played out, then BTC will directly bounce from here toward that target, 73k target. Second scenario is if BTC dumped a bit to fill this fair value gap and dump toward that support region and again bounce toward a resistance zone or 74k. So there are two possibilities. First is direct pump from current market price toward target zone, and that will happen if this inverse head and shoulder pattern is played out. Second scenario is if we dump to fill the fair value gap and then strong bounce from support zone back toward the target zone. So there are two possibilities by which we can go toward our target of 73k. Now let's discuss the daily chart of the BTC. Now as you can see that BTC is forming a bullish flag pattern on the daily chart. If it successfully break out from this bullish flag pattern, then you guys can long it on retest of the breakout, and then you can target the 73 to 74k region. So clearly watch out for the breakout and then long on retest. Okay, now let's look the weekly chart of the BTC. The weekly chart of the BTC show a bullish pin bar candle, and the bullish pin bar candle is actually a reversal candle. Last time BTC printed the bullish pin bar candle here, and after that it aggressively moved up and did almost 100% move from here, that candle. Okay, now again it is forming a bullish pin bar candle, so let's see if we get the same move like we saw in the past. Now let's have a look on the monthly chart of the BTC. The monthly chart of the BTC look very beautiful as it is showing a monthly retest of the previous ATH. So we can see a good move in the my month. Okay, because retest has been done in the April month, and now we will see a continuation in the May month. So this was our all updates regarding BTC. Hopefully you will have liked it. Please like and subscribe my channel for further updates. Okay, thank you.